Looks like the emergency centre for Naze fire engines and the ambulances. What's it got there? Naze ambulance, I guess it says. Naze Fire Department ambulance. And the paramedics. For all you buffs of fire engines. Let's see, emergency medical service training room. A couple of the smaller spotters that go out. So that's the main fire station emergency centre here in Melbourne.